In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Tabby OTP issues. So if you're not receiving the OTP on Tabby, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Also make sure airplane mode is not enabled on your device. After you do that, you should be able to receive the OTP. If you're still not being able to receive the OTP, what you can do is simply try checking for the spam folder. For that, open the messaging application of your device. You can see over here, I've opened the Google Messages. Now what you have to do is simply try checking for the spam messages. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is tap on this option spam and block that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you might be able to see the OTP in the spam and blocked folder. If you do not see it over here, there might be some problem with the application itself. So what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache of your messaging app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the messaging application and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. What you have to do is tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache of the application should be cleared and you should be able to receive the OTP. Likewise, also try clearing the cache of the Tabby application itself. So what you have to do is find the application for Tabby in the app library and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try contacting the Tabby customer support. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So what you can do is simply restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved and you should be able to receive the OTP. So that is how you fix Tabby OTP not receiving. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.